Yeah, I think we have Hollywood here in Ann Arbor.
So behind me is an example of light frame wood construction, also known as stick framing, to build floors, walls, and ceilings. Where openings are present,
We're sitting in our new XR studio. XR is extended reality. It's an umbrella phrase that includes augmented, virtual, and mixed reality technologies. Over the last few years, primarily because of the TV show The Mandalorian, figured out how to use these large LED screens to project 3D environments into the screen and produce high-quality video content without having to do a lot of visual effects work.
Through the Center for Academic Innovation, faculty innovators and student fellows are helping us shape the future of higher education and think about what's next in teaching and learning. We've created the XR Studio here at the Center for Academic Innovation to help us continue pushing the boundaries of online and hybrid learning for students on campus and around the world. With this space, we're going to focus on immersive learning. We think this is the future. This kind of studio gives us an opportunity to pull students into different environments that would be very difficult to create. Imagine inside of an operating room, a courtroom for law students in ancient Rome. This allows us to help students understand complex environments.
Our center works with faculty to take an idea they have about a course and help design that for an open kind of global audience. So it's not like we just go into the classroom and film them lecturing to students here. We sit down with our design teams and help design out what are the learning goals, learning objectives, how do we want to present this material in a way to make it accessible to a wider audience. So we have a whole media design team here that works with filming the faculty. So instead of just kind of showing in a typical like presentation style, we can now immerse them in these environments. These are high-end cameras that allow us to both capture cinematic looks and feel, but also more traditional video broadcast. This technology is a step forward in making education accessible to everybody.